Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be looking at adverb of affirmation and negation. So let's get started. An adverb is a word that gives us information about a verb, adjective or another adverb, and tells us about the place, time, manner, degree, cause, etc. Adverbs of affirmation and negation are one of many types of adverb. Adverbs of affirmation are the words that affirm or assert some statement as real, whereas adverbs of negation are the words that refute or negate or simply convey the fact that something is not. Continue to watch the video to learn adverb of affirmation and negation, definition and example sentences with clear explanations. This video covers adverb of affirmation. What is adverb of affirmation? Adverb of affirmation examples. Adverb of negation. What is adverb of negation? Adverb of negation examples. Examples of adverb of affirmation and negation in sentences. Adverb of affirmation and negation exercises. And frequently asked questions, adverbs of affirmation and negation. Adverb of affirmation definition and meaning. What does an adverb of affirmation mean? The word affirmation in the phrase adverb of affirmation means the act of affirming or asserting something. That is, affirmation refers to the act of asserting some statement as true or existent. So, an adverb of affirmation is, by definition, a word that asserts that something is real, true, or existent. Adverbs of affirmation include yes, certainly, definitely, surely, absolutely, really, truly, and others. Here are a few examples of adverb of affirmation. Examples of adverbs of affirmation. A. Yes, I like chocolate. Yes, I like chocolate. B. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. C. It's surely too late. It's surely too late. D. You're certainly right. You're certainly right. E. I'll definitely teach him English. I'll definitely teach him English. Explanation. All of the example sentences given above contain adverbs of affirmation which are highlighted. These adverbs of affirmation confirm that something is true, real, or existent. Note that adverbs of affirmation also emphasize a fact. Adverb of negation, definition and meaning. What does an adverb of negation mean? The word negation in the phrase adverb of negation means to negate, refute, or deny something. An adverb of negation is a word that is used to deny a fact or refute a statement. So, adverbs of negation are words that express the fact that something is not true, real, or existent. Adverbs of negation include no, never, hardly, seldom, no longer, and others. Here are a few example sentences of adverbs of negation. Examples of adverbs of negation. A. He does not go to gym. He does not go to gym. B. I have no idea about it. I have no idea about it. C. They never came to India. They never came to India. D. John hardly speaks the truth. John hardly speaks the truth. E. They seldom visit the village. They seldom visit the village. Explanation. The sentences mentioned above contain adverbs of negation which are in bold. These adverbs of negation negate the statements. Summary. Adverb of affirmation and negation. Like other types of adverbs, adverbs of affirmation and negation are frequently used in both spoken and written English. Adverbs of affirmation assert, and adverbs of negation negate a fact. In this video, you'll learn the following. Number 1, adverbs of affirmation tell us that something is true, real, and fact in a positive way. Number 2, adverbs of negation tell us that something is not true, real, or fact in a negative manner. 3, some certain adverbs of affirmation and negation emphasize a fact. Number 4, adverbs of affirmation act positively. And number 5, adverbs of negation act negatively. Frequently asked questions, adverb of affirmation and negation. Define adverb of negation. An adverb of negation negates a fact in a negative manner. An adverb of negation negates a fact in a negative manner. Adverbs of negation tell us that something is not true or real. Most commonly used adverbs of negation are never, not, no, no longer, and nothing. Adverbs of negation tell us that something is not true or real. Most commonly used adverbs of negation are never, not, no, no longer, and nothing. These adverbs make it clear that certain ideas, concepts, or facts are not true. These adverbs make it clear that certain ideas, concepts, or facts are not true. 10 examples of adverbs of affirmation and negation. Number 1, John absolutely needed his car checked today. John absolutely needed his car checked today. Number 2, my kids truly love pizza. My kids truly love pizza. Number 3, the view from our hotel room is undoubtedly breathtaking. The view from our hotel room is undoubtedly breathtaking. Number 4, I really like the modifications they did to the cupboard. I really like the modifications they did to the cupboard. Number 5, Baron certainly needs recognition for his achievements. Baron certainly needs recognition for his achievements. Number 6, Celine never understood why Ali wanted to move away. Celine never understood why Ali wanted to move away. Number 7, Vivian was barely out the door when Roman barged in. Vivian was barely out the door when Roman barged in. Number 8, my sisters hardly ever see eye to eye with things. My sisters hardly ever see eye to eye with things. Number 9, Rona scarcely does any household chores. Rona scarcely does any household chores. And number 10, last item, he invalidly claimed the price of the expired raffle ticket. He invalidly claimed the price of the expired raffle ticket. So there you go, guys. This video ends here about adverb of affirmation and negation. Thanks for watching.